Hi, I'm Dr. Chan here at Crown Dentistry. We get a lot of questions about cosmetic dentistry. So today, going to answer some of the most common questions about this topic so that you have a better understanding of what cosmetic dentistry is. So cosmetic dentistry is a really common term that's heard nowadays in dental circles as well as just in the general public. Here at Crown Dentistry, we believe that cosmetic dentistry is any dental procedures or topics that will basically restore a patient's mouth and teeth to the most ideal state, meaning we want the color, the shape, the size, and the position of the teeth to be exactly where they're supposed to be. This can include a number of procedures, including orthodontics, which we would use to straighten the teeth, or restorative dentistry, which would also include fillings or crowns or veneers. There are many procedures that fall under this category of cosmetic dentistry. So this is a very common question that we get about people wondering if cosmetic dentistry is for them or their family. The best way for us to determine if that is the case is to have you come in for an exam so that we can take a look at everything that's going on in your mouth and give you an assessment after that. So cosmetic dentistry is a very popular term that's used by a lot of people nowadays. You could also hear general dentistry. I would say that cosmetic dental procedures fall under the broader umbrella of general dentistry. General dentistry is just a term that's used to pretty much describe all aspects of dentistry. So cosmetic dentistry is bringing a person's mouth and teeth back to their ideal state. That means that the position is right, the shape is right, the color is right. Restorative dentistry is anything that's done to add something to your teeth, whether through the use of fillings or crowns or veneers. So I would say that restorative dentistry has aspects that fall under the umbrella of cosmetic dentistry. There are many ways that cosmetic dentistry can help you. A lot of it depends on the state of a person's mouth. Maybe there are some broken teeth. Maybe some teeth are out of position. There are procedures that can help people through cosmetic dentistry, either through moving the teeth into the right position or by adding fillings or crowns in order to get the teeth into the right position and shape. Cosmetic dentistry is an excellent way to improve a patient's smile. Say, for example, someone's teeth are too small or they're out of position. Cosmetic dentistry can be used to put them back into the right position or to move them around so that there's where they're supposed to be. One of the most common problems that people have with their mouth is an overbite. That means that either the top jaw or the bottom jaw are out of position relative to the opposing teeth. A cosmetic dentistry can definitely correct this problem. Many patients come to us with teeth that are crooked or rotated or just generally out of position. Cosmetic dentistry can fix this either through the use of orthodontics and Invisalign or through the placement of fillings, crowns, or veneers. A lot of patients ask, how old does a patient have to be before they consider cosmetic dentistry? My answer for that is basically it's a case-by-case basis. Some patients it's appropriate for, some patients it's not. A lot of it depends on the individual patient. I will say that we have done cosmetic dentistry on children as young as 7. Cosmetic dentistry can be done on children. A lot of it depends on the individual patient. We believe that as long as dentistry is safe and healthy for the patient, then cosmetic dentistry is right for them. Cosmetic dentistry may be right for young children. A lot of it depends on the individual patient. Sometimes laughing gas or nitrous oxide is enough to calm a patient down so that we can work on their teeth. Sometimes more substantial methods are needed, such as sedation. If more sedation is needed in order to calm a patient down, a lot of times we will refer a patient to a pediatric dentist. We believe here at Crown Dentistry that if a patient is well enough to come into our office and have dental work done, then cosmetic dentistry is appropriate for them. Here at Crown Dentistry, we believe that healthy teeth are beautiful teeth. Cosmetic dentistry can help us to achieve that goal, whether it's teeth that are out of position or teeth that are the wrong color or the wrong shape or size. We believe that cosmetic dentistry can offer many options to help us achieve the goal of giving a patient a beautiful smile. Sometimes patients come to us with teeth that are too small, too big, turned the wrong way, perhaps positioned the wrong way. Cosmetic dentistry can give us many options in order to bring their teeth into an ideal position, shape, and size, either through Invisalign and orthodontics, or through the placement of fillings, tooth-colored fillings, crowns, or veneers. Sometimes cosmetic dentistry may include the removal of teeth and or the reshaping of a patient's gums and or bone. In this case, those procedures would fall under the category of oral surgery. Some of the procedures that we do can be done at Crown Dentistry. Some of the cosmetic dental procedures, we will partner with a specialist in order to get them taken care of. Cosmetic dentistry can give a patient their smile back. Cosmetic dentistry can make a patient have a beautiful smile when previously they didn't have one. Cosmetic dentistry can also make a patient bite better so that they're able to eat and chew without any pain or discomfort. So there are several procedures that fall under the umbrella of cosmetic dentistry. Some of them, such as Invisalign and orthodontics, is a several month procedure. A lot of them involve taking impressions and placing trays in the patient's mouth. Other procedures under the umbrella of cosmetic dentistry involve placing fillings and or crowns. Those usually tend to take anywhere between 30 minutes and several hours. A lot of them involve local anesthesia and or the use of nitrous oxide, laughing gas, or conscious sedation. At Crown Dentistry, we believe that communication is key and trust is key. We try our best to have excellent communication with our patients and to make sure that they understand everything that's going on before any procedure is done. Here at Crown Dentistry, we do our best to make our patients as comfortable as possible. With almost all of our patients, we use local anesthesia. At times, laughing gas and nitrous oxide are also used in order to make the patients feel more comfortable. Some of our patients also elect to have conscious sedation done. All of these procedures are done in order to maximize the comfort of our patients. If we are working on a patient's teeth, almost always local anesthesia will be used in order to make the procedures as comfortable as possible for our patients. At times, in addition to local anesthesia, we will also use laughing gas and or nitrous oxide in order to make our patients feel comfortable. Some patients require the use of oral conscious sedation, which goes even further to make our patients as comfortable as possible so that they're able to have the cosmetic dental procedures done. There are many different cosmetic dental procedures that can be done in order to help a patient restore their smile. Sometimes recovery period for these procedures is only a couple of hours. Sometimes it's a few days. Other times it may be a week or two. A lot of it depends on the individual procedure, and there are many to choose from. After a cosmetic dental procedure, we always tell our patients to get some rest, to go home, to drink a lot of water. If necessary, they may take some over-the-counter pain medications such as ibuprofen or Tylenol. At times, if a patient also needs it, we may give them a prescription for opioids such as Norco or antibiotics such as amoxicillin or clindamycin. There are many cosmetic dental procedures, some of which are covered by insurance, some of which are not. Our front office staff is well trained and knowledgeable about these procedures and whether or not they're covered by insurance. Here at Crown Dentistry, we also do our best to try and make it easy and affordable for our patients to get cosmetic dentistry. We also have financing options available, such as Care Credit. I hope we've been able to answer some of your questions about cosmetic dentistry today. If you're ready to take action, or if you have any more questions about this topic, please feel free to call our office at 916-285-9678. We're here to help. Thank you.